This is a 2006 Subaru Forester. The process for removing the glove box is going to be pretty much identical, if not the exact same, for all other years of this generation and all other models of the generation as well, like the Outback and the Legacy. So, underneath here, inside the glove box, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 screws we're going to take out. They're all Phillips head. I left one in there at the top, but I took the other ones out. Underneath here, there's more. 1, 2, and a third. We're going to unscrew all those. Alright, here we are, unscrewing the last one. Okay. Once you get all those screws undone, it kind of dangles from this half. However, this half still has some little things poked into the side of there. So it needs a little extra yank on that side, but it just pops right out. It's just those screws holding it in. And from here you can access whatever you're trying to access. Your cabin air filter fan is inside this thing, often called the squirrel cage, and your air filter is right inside of here. There's a clip there and a clip on the other side. Alright, both these clips unclipped. You can remove it just like that, and here is your air filter. And then your blower fan is inside of there. Alright, so you want to get in here. You want to get to your cabin air fan and your HVAC system. What we're going to do is we're just going to pop the plug out. There's a button on the bottom. You have to press on this and then pull on this simultaneously. You can try to do it with 3 fingers, pushing here and then pulling here. I use 2 hands, one hand to press up and the other hand to pull. Then that comes out. There are 3 screws, 1, 2, and 3. We're going to take those out. Already had them loose. The other one was right back here. A small, short screwdriver is best for getting these because it kind of gets in the way when you're trying to access that. Okay. And then here is your fan motor.